Welcome back to Cait and Eisley Eat Snacks. This is our 4th episode. This will be our 4th one.
Oh!
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah. We had a very large order of snacks come in. And so in order for this to not be like an hour-long video, we're splitting it up into 2. And my husband assisted and randomly divided everything up so that we'd have a good random mix of things to try. So, are you ready to try some snacks?
Yeah.
The website I got the snacks from today is called yamibuy.com, YAMIBUY.com. And I'll try to remember to put the link to them in the description box below. So, without further ado, let's go. The first thing we are going to try from today's haul is these. Now, they are Lay's, and I believe these are the ones that came from Thailand and are usually only available in Thailand. The flavor is in Thai, and then even like this, I'm not gonna pronounce it. So, I don't know what the flavor is, but we're about to find out. Okie dokie, ready to try? I'll take one, you take one. Ooh, they smell good. Ooh.
I make them.
Those are nice. I have no idea what those flavors are, but they're really good. On the picture on the front, it looks like there's peanuts, onions, lime. I can taste a little bit of lime. Maybe some sort of chili powder or something. Those are pretty tasty, huh? I like those. Okay, so Thai Lay's. Good.
Mine.
Yes.
I'm gonna taste.
What? I love you too. The next thing we're trying is these. I believe they're like little cookies, but I got them because they had a Disney princess on the cover. And actually, the picture I picked online had Ariel, but this one has Jasmine, and you really like Jasmine, so that worked out well.
I'm gonna eat the jasmine one. You can get the jasmine one for me.
All right, you ready? Oh, look, there's Rapunzel. And who do you have on yours? Jasmine. Ready?
I wanted this one.
Ooh. There's some sort of like cream filling on the inside. I'm guessing strawberry, since there's a strawberry right there. Those are pretty good. What are you doing? Did you like these? Yeah, enough to have another one, huh? Disney Princess Strawberry Cream-Filled Cookies. Good. All right, next to try is another Lay's thing. It says Frito Lay on the top, and I'm not really sure what the flavor is because I see what's on there, but I'm not really sure what that's supposed to be. It looks like a charcuterie board, so maybe it's cheese. But we're going to try. Ooh. They definitely smell cheesy. Ready to try one?
This one's stacked up. I'm gonna eat 2 of these.
Ooh. They taste like Fritos more than Lay's, so I guess the Frito Lay part makes sense. They have more of that like corn, harder texture. Yeah, those are really good. I really like these. I have no idea what the flavor is again. Oh, you know what? It says Rich Giza Noko cheese. So it is cheese, but there's some sort of seasoning on it too, but those are tasty. I really like these actually. Yeah. I am a fan of the Fritos. Mystery cheese Asian Fritos. Good. Next, we have, it says Yam Chips, but I think that might be the brand. And it has this adorable little, I know, isn't he so cute?
Oh, they're cute.
It's like a little hedgehog and he's adorable. Yeah, so let's just dig in and see. Ooh, those smell good. Okay, I don't know what they are, but they're like kind of curly. Maybe these are yam chips because they do kind of, I guess, taste a little bit yummy. Yeah, those are pretty good.
That's so yummy.
They have a really good amount of salt on them.
They're so yummy.
Yeah.
I'm so dry.
These are also very good. They're very light and crispy. All right. Next, we have these. It says ume shiso flavor, but this brand, I've noticed Bourbon, they've done a lot of the ones that I've ordered that are like sweet snacks. So I'm guessing this is some sort of like sweet cookie thing. All right, let's give these a try. Ooh, they smell really nice. Ooh.
Yummy.
I thought that was going to be sweet. And they're not sweet.
I love them. I love them.
I have no... Yeah, you like those? Yeah, they're not... They're not bad. I just have no idea what I'm tasting. And that's like a weird thing. I thought they were going to be like cream cheese, maybe? I don't know what these are. I don't know what flavor they are. They're not sweet. They're very savory. We have 2 more. And then we have a drink at the end. Okay? These Market O.
Oh, wow.
It looks like pretzel sticks or something. I have no idea what these are going to taste like, but
I will just take that.
okay, go ahead.
Yummy. Yum, 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 yum.
You like it? Okay. I hate it so much. I can't hold it anymore.
But I like it.
I'm glad you like it. Ugh, gross. I'm glad you like it, Eisley. It's okay to like things that other people don't like, right? Oh, nasty. Oh, gross. There's squid, shrimp, and crab in these. Did you know that? Oh, God, that was nasty. Okay. Hopefully these are better. These say they're called taco chips.
Oh, yummy.
But looking, I have a feeling I'm not going to like these either. But maybe I will. You never know. But let's try the taco chips. I mean, at least that guy's cute. That little chef guy. Right? He looks cute.
I think.
Okay. Oh, look it. They're in like little fish shapes. Here. Okay, you can try first.
That's so yummy. They are yummy.
Okay, this is definitely not as bad as the last one. It's not... I don't really like it, but I don't think it's gross. It's okay.
I like it. Yeah.
Okay. I can't. Ugh. I can't do that one anymore. Ugh. This is the last thing we have today, and I saved it specifically for the end because I knew I was not going to like those last two, and I wanted something delicious to wash it down with. So what is this, Eisley?
Bubble tea.
Bubble tea. And what flavor?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar bubble tea. So here it is. It's like energy drink sized.
Let's open it for me.
Okay.
Ooh, so yummy.
Ooh, it smells good. That's good. I like that. I don't really, it says there's tapioca, Eisley? It says there's tapioca pearls in here, but I don't know where they are unless they're just like, I don't feel them or hear them or taste them or anything. Okay, well this is really good. I really like this. I would drink this like on a daily basis. It tastes a lot better than those last two snacks. Okay, so what was your favorite thing we tried today? Those aren't words. Okay, so your favorite were the strawberry-filled princess cookies. These are Eisley's favorite. I did like those, but I think my favorite thing was these, the little cheesy Frito guys. Okay, guys, this video went off the rails, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. We will have a part 2. Maybe in the next couple of days, we'll do the next one. In the meantime, I hope you're all well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Cait and Eisley Eats Next. Bye!